How to create wealth for beginners. Let me ask you something. If you stopped working today, how long would your money last? 1 month, 3 months, a year? If you want more practical videos like this to help you build wealth step by step, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Most people work for money their entire lives, but never learn how to make money work for them. Today, we're breaking down exactly how beginners can start building real wealth from scratch. Before we begin, think about this. Are you starting with $0, under $1,000, or over $1,000? Keep that number in mind as we go through this. What wealth really means. First, let's clear something up. Wealth is not a big paycheck, a luxury car, expensive clothes. Wealth is assets that generate income, money working even when you're not. Financial freedom, if you own investments that pay you regularly, whether it's stocks, a business, or rental income. That's wealth. Here's a question for you. Would you rather earn $100,000 working 80 hours a week or $60,000 working 10 hours a week? The difference is ownership in assets. Step 1. Control your money. Before you grow money, you must control it. The basic wealth formula is income, expenses equals savings, savings invested, over time equals wealth. But most people do this instead. Income, expenses equals nothing left. To change that, flip the formula. Income, savings equals expenses. Pay yourself first. Even 10 to 20% consistently can change your future. Start tracking your spending. Every dollar, when you see where your money goes, you gain power over it. Step 2. Increase your income. You cannot save your way to wealth on a small income. If your income is limited, focus on increasing it. Ask yourself, can I learn a high-income skill? Can I negotiate a raise? Can I start a side hustle? Skills like sales, freelancing, digital marketing, coding, or AI-related services can significantly increase your earning power. The bigger the gap between what you earn and what you spend, the faster you build wealth. Do you currently have one income stream or multiple? That question alone could change your financial future. Step 3. Invest early, even if it's small. This is where wealth is actually created. Investing allows your money to grow through compounding, which means you earn returns on your returns. For example, investing a small amount monthly over many years can turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars. The key is not how much you start with, it's how early you start and how consistent you are. Beginner-friendly investment ideas include broad market index funds, retirement accounts, low cost, diversified ETFs. Start small. Start simple, but start now. Time is your greatest advantage. Step 4. Buy assets before liabilities. Here's a simple rule. If it puts money in your pocket, it's an asset. If it takes money out, it's a liability. Assets, stocks, rental properties, businesses, digital products, liabilities, consumer debt, expensive finance cars, lifestyle upgrades you can't afford. Wealthy people focus on acquiring assets first. Then they use the income from those assets to fund their lifestyle. Step 5. Think long-term. Wealth building is not exciting. It's not viral. It's not instant. It's not flashy. It's discipline. It's consistency. It's patience. Ask yourself, where do I want to be financially in 10 years? Because whether you plan or not, 10 years will pass anyway. Your beginner wealth plan. Take a moment and think about this. What is my monthly income? What are my monthly expenses? What percentage am I saving? What skill will I learn this year? What investment will I start this month? Clarity creates momentum. Common mistakes to avoid. Waiting until you earn more, trying to impress others, not investing early, letting lifestyle expenses rise with income. Avoiding financial education. The difference between those who build wealth and those who don't is simple. Action. Final thoughts. Wealth is not about luck. It's about making small, smart financial decisions consistently over many years. You don't need to be rich to start building wealth, but you must start if you ever want to become rich. Your journey starts today, and before you go, tell us in the comments, what money moves are you making now, or a few months from now, to begin your wealth building journey?